If you're looking for an awesome monitor to enjoy your favorite games, you've come to the right place. Because today, we're counting down the 8 best gaming monitors that deliver the most bang for your buck on the market right now. You'll see everything from affordable models that perform way above their price tag to absolute 4K gaming beasts that'll completely blow you away. Let's kick things off with number 8, where we've got this MSI Mag model. It's the perfect choice if you're looking to jump into PC gaming without emptying your wallet. We're talking about a 27-inch display with a 1500R curve, a rapid VA panel, and full HD resolution. It goes all the way up to 180 Hz. And here's something worth pointing out. MSI rates it at an incredible 0.5 millisecond minimum response time. It also supports adaptive sync to eliminate screen tearing. You also get a native 5000:1 contrast ratio thanks to the VA panel, along with around 300 nits of brightness. It's a fantastic choice for shooters, racing games, or pretty much any fast-paced title running at 1080p, while the VA panel delivers much deeper blacks than a budget IPS display, giving dark scenes a lot more depth. As for the downsides, the stand only tilts, so there's no height adjustment. It looks nice and sharp on a 27-inch screen, but don't expect the same level of detail you'd get from a 1440p display. But if you're willing to spend just a little more for a much sharper image, stick around because the next monitor takes things to another level without driving the price through the roof. Coming in at number 7, we've got this 27-inch 1440p monitor from Koorui. It's the perfect option if you're ready to step up to QHD while spending as little as possible. And honestly, that's exactly what makes it so appealing. It features a 1500R curved VA panel with a 2560 by 1440 QHD resolution, a 180 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 support. The contrast ratio is outstanding for the price at around 4000:1. It covers close to 90% of the DCI-P3 color space, and it's compatible with both FreeSync and G-Sync. As for connectivity, you get 2 HDMI ports and 1 DisplayPort, and its biggest advantage is that incredible combination of resolution, refresh rate, and contrast at a price that's honestly hard to believe. But here's something a lot of reviews never mention. If you actually want to run 1440p at the full 180 Hz, you'll need to use the DisplayPort cable, because HDMI won't get anywhere close to that refresh rate. Keep in mind that like most affordable VA panels, you may notice a bit of black smearing during very dark, fast-moving scenes. Still, if you're all about competitive gaming and refresh rate is your number 1 priority, then the next monitor is on a whole different level. Coming in at number 6, we've got the Asus Tuf Gaming, a monitor built for true competitive players, the kind of gamers who treat every shooter or fighting game like it's the championship match and want to squeeze every last frame out of their system. It's the perfect choice for esports players who want incredibly smooth gameplay and excellent color quality without stepping up to 1440p. It features a flat 27-inch full HD display with a fast IPS panel that pushes all the way up to an incredible 240 Hz, along with an ultra-fast minimum response time of just 0.3 milliseconds. It covers 99% of the sRGB color space, supports HDR10, and most importantly, it's compatible with both G-Sync and FreeSync Premium. On top of that, it includes Asus's exclusive. You also get handy extras like Display Widget Center, letting you adjust your monitor settings with your mouse instead of fumbling through the on-screen buttons. Once you start gaming on this monitor, you'll notice that a fast IPS panel feels just as smooth as a great VA panel, while giving you much better viewing angles and richer, more consistent colors. And at 240 Hz, the competitive advantage is absolutely real. The best part is that combination of a fast IPS panel, 240 Hz performance, and the reliability that comes with a trusted brand like Asus. But if you'd rather maximize immersion instead of chasing every last frame, then you're going to love our next pick. Taking the number 5 spot is this monitor from KTC, a fantastic option if you're after the immersive feel of a huge display without spending a fortune. Here you're getting a massive 32-inch screen with a 1500 R curve. It's absolutely amazing for open-world games, racing sims, flight simulators, or horror titles. It features an HVA panel running at 240 Hz, so smoothness is definitely not an issue. You also get a 1 millisecond MPRT response time, 350 nits of brightness, a solid 3500 to 1 contrast ratio, and HDR10 support. It covers 99% of the sRGB color space, almost the entire DCI-P3 gamut, and it's compatible with both FreeSync and G-Sync. For connectivity, it includes 2 HDMI ports and a display port capable of driving the full 240 Hz refresh rate. That said, there's one thing almost nobody talks about, but your tech advisor is going to tell you right now. This is still a full HD monitor, and at 32 inches, that means pixel density isn't especially high. Now, if you want that same immersive size and curved design without giving up sharpness or premium build quality, let me introduce you to your next monitor. At number 4, stepping up another level in overall quality, we have the Asus Rog Strix, a monitor that's perfect for anyone looking for the ideal balance between image quality, speed, and, above all, modern connectivity. It features a 27-inch curved display with a 1500 R curve, a crisp 2560 by 1440 QHD resolution, a fast VA panel that reaches up to 180 Hz, and a 1 millisecond MPRT response time. You get 400 nits of brightness, display HDR, 400 certification, and a solid 3000 to 1 contrast ratio. It's also compatible with both FreeSync and G-Sync. On top of that, it includes Asus's ELMB Sync technology, along with Display Widget Center, which lets you tweak all your monitor settings right from your mouse. But the real standout feature is the USB-C port. With DisplayPort, Alt Mode, and power delivery, with a single cable, you can connect your laptop, display the image, and charge it at the same time. So with this monitor, you're getting the deep blacks you'd expect from a great VA panel, combined with true HDR support. But if 27 inches still feels a little too small and you're ready to step into the world of ultra-wide gaming, then the next monitor changes everything. Now it's time to enter the podium with this model from Sansui, a monitor that opens the door to the ultra-wide experience. Its 21:9 aspect ratio is perfect if you're looking for maximum immersion while also getting an absolute multitasking powerhouse. It features a curved 34-inch display with a 1500 R curve, an ultra-wide 3440 by 1440 resolution, a fast VA panel running at 165 Hz, and a 1 millisecond MPRT response time. It also delivers 300 nits of brightness, HDR support, 95% DCI-P3 coverage. You also get FreeSync compatibility, plus both picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture modes, so you can display two devices at the same time, either in a small window or split across the screen. As for connectivity, it comes equipped with 2 HDMI ports and 2 DisplayPort connections. Once you start gaming on an ultra-wide display like this, you'll quickly realize just how addictive the 21:9 format really is. Compared to the Asus Rog Strix we just looked at, you're getting a much larger display and a far more immersive experience, but you're giving up a little refresh rate and some overall premium refinement. But if none of these monitors have impressed you enough yet, and your budget can stretch a little further, don't worry, because now we're getting to the very best picks in this ranking. Taking the silver medal in second place, we have this incredible monitor from Alienware, the perfect choice if you want top-tier image quality and blazing fast performance at the same time. We're talking about a stunning 34-inch curved ultra-wide display with a 21:9 aspect ratio and a sharp 3440 by 1440 UWQHD resolution. But the real star of the show is its next-generation QD-OLED panel. It also delivers a blazing fast 240 Hz refresh rate with an incredible 0.03 millisecond response time, making it one of the fastest gaming monitors you can buy today. For connectivity, you get 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, a DisplayPort connection, a USB hub with USB-C, and Alienware's exclusive Alien Vision features. The difference between gaming on this monitor and any of the previous ones is honestly hard to capture on camera, but it's absolutely massive. Black actually looks black instead of dark gray, and 240 Hz combined with that instant response time delivers some of the cleanest motion you'll ever experience. One of its biggest strengths is that it gives you a premium OLED gaming experience for considerably less money than many competing models, and it also comes with a fully adjustable stand. But if you're still not completely blown away after seeing this incredible gaming monitor, don't go anywhere, because we've saved the very best for last. And finally, taking the gold medal in first place, we have the LG Ultragear OLED, the perfect monitor for anyone who simply wants the absolute best. With its massive 39-inch ultra-wide 21:9 screen, sharp 3440 by 1440 resolution, and aggressive 800R curve that literally wraps the image around your field of view for open-world adventures, racing games, or any title built around atmosphere, it's on a completely different level. Its WOLED panel with micro lens array technology reaches an impressive 240 Hz while maintaining an ultra-fast 0.03 millisecond response time. It also features display HDR True Black 400 certification, a stunning 1.5 million-to-1 contrast ratio. Connectivity is equally impressive, with two HDMI 2.1 ports, DisplayPort 1.4, and a fully adjustable stand offering height, tilt, and swivel adjustments. So what's the downside? Pixel density is a little lower than ideal. That means if you're spending all day working with tiny text or huge spreadsheets, it won't be quite as razor-sharp as a smaller display. But let's be honest, this monitor was built for gaming and entertainment, not to replace your office monitor. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and let me know which monitor you like the most or which one you'd choose for your own setup. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.